All right, now let's drill down on other markets that have not performed well this year. Talking about the crypto market, we see Bitcoin there failed to recover above the 21,000 mark. If we look at the fear greed index this morning, we see it's 11 points. Extreme fear in the market, showing sentiment with traders right now. They're still very much afraid in that market, and we see that happening as Bitcoin gets volatile at this point. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin there, $19,425 there. It's down about 2.81%. This morning, we're seeing volume trade at $23.19 billion. We're seeing that the crypto space is still quite volatile right now. Let's bring in Ileke Ayinde now, digital market analyst. Great to have you in the program. Good morning.
Hi, Laddie. Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Great to have you. Well, we'll see where the market is right now. We're seeing Bitcoin losing that 20,000 mark again this time, and it's at 19K. Some traders are scared that it might go lower at this point. How are you seeing the market right now?
Okay, right now the market's actually very, very messed up. You know, from all the indicators, it's very clear that the market is messed up. Right. Recently, we saw a very popular publication, the Independent News by the UK, all right, stating that the search for Bitcoin is dead. That term has an all-time high, all right, which is indicative of one of the worst crashes in the history of the crypto market. So right now, we're experiencing a lot of sell-off in the market, and with the fear and greed index at this all-time low, where we can officially say that the crypto winter is here. And from the look of things, it's here to stay for a while, all right? Because even currently, the Bitcoin miners are beginning to sell off their Bitcoin, and this is indicated by the amount of Bitcoin that is going on exchanges, all right, that's being sold off on exchanges. And this has brought Bitcoin to a point of capitulation, all right? So going forward, we might see more fear in the market, and we might see, you know, the scariest part is the fact that we do not actually know if we're hit rock bottom, all right? And so we're going to see a lot of fear in the market going forward.
Exactly. No, everyone's looking for that bottom in most markets now. But you know, it's winter right now in the crypto space. What's the way forward for traders at this point?
Okay, so this is not anything that hasn't happened before. All right, the bears and the bulls are necessary for the market to be stable. So for the average crypto trader right now, is the classic advice from the president of El Salvador, you know, President Bukele, who said that if you're a crypto trader, you know, you just need to take a break from the chat and go enjoy your life. All right. So this is the advice for the average crypto trader, because the market is definitely going to bounce back. All right. And one of the advantages that we see in the bear market is the fact that it shakes out a lot of you know, soft hands, all right, weak hands, and a lot of projects that are not sustainable. So the best way to exit the bear market for an average trader would be to exit with a rich portfolio. Anyway, that is if you still have money to buy the dip.
That's it. Everyone talking about buying the dip, but some don't have money to buy that dip. All right, thank you so much, Ileke Ayinde, digital market analyst. It was great talking to you.
Thank you so much.
All right, now let's look at the top alts by market cap. There we see BNB there down 3.31%. It's mostly red on that counter. Cardano at 44 cents, that's down 3.54%. And eCash there down 4.12%. XRP trying to lose that 30-cent range at this point. It's down 3.23%, so it's mostly red. We're seeing double-digit losses this morning. Looking at the top 5 losers, we see USTC there down 37%. The top gainers list quite lean. Just ZRX topping that counter at 33 cents. ZRX used to be $1 a few months ago, but now we're seeing it down at 33 cents. We're seeing sell-offs on all. No cryptocurrency is safe in this market at this point. Uniswap there, a decentralized exchange, it's up 0.80%. Flip over to the top loser, we see it's double-digit losses with USTC, that stable coin, down 37.13%. Storage also down 13.54%. And we see Matic there in the losers counter. And Axie Infinity, that's one of the play-to-earn tokens there, down 9.72%. So it's mostly red in the crypto space this morning.